Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make a Lamborghini car in A4 sheet. First you have to do 1 to 3 centimeter and this 1 to 3.5 centimeter. Again this 1 to 3 centimeter and this 1 to 3.5. Okay, draw here like this. Do outline. Okay, do your black color. Okay, make the Lamborghini symbol. I don't know to make, so I wrote L. This is glass. This is wings. And this is dragging wings. I'm making negative. Make 5 lines or 5 lines. Keep shade beyond shading for these lines. Half and half. Okay. Now this is booster. Now I'm going to color. First I'll make engine. Now I'll rub it with my hand. Be on doing dark till when it don't came shade. Okay, make engineer. Now I'll color the red color in the wings first. Color it nicely. Okay, do you like that red color? And do here red. Make this body full red color and here yellow. I'll make yellow here first. Okay, this I have done like this. First I'll make one design here. Shade in second line, and in one line you have to do red color. And leave it white. So now be on doing color. Okay. Now I'll do yet red. Okay. Take now yellow and do that. Take the pencil. Do design and shade it here. Please like my video, comment and write that this is nice or not. Okay. Now please share my video also. Bye.